War is hell, and some horror games don't need monsters to prove it. Today, we're exploring how the chaos of conflict transforms into pure terror in these unforgettable titles. Frictional Games takes you back to the trenches in Amnesia, the bunker. You are Henri Clement, alone in a sealed bunker, hunted by a photosensitive beast that reacts to your noise. With power dwindling and darkness closing in around you, every breath feels like a countdown to doom. Infinitum portrays trench warfare through psychedelic, trauma-driven horror. You play a German soldier whose PTSD manifests as monsters conjured from mud and barbed wire. It's a haunting psychological journey where every puzzle and jump scan drives home the bitter anguish of war.
I am a soldier in this world, live to dream of home. If I were home, doors would shut, and I would remain alone in the dark. Yet still I go on, as if I must. I am a soldier in this world, and live too.
NecroVision literally turns war into hell. Set in 1916, you're a soldier battling both German forces and supernatural entities, vampires, demons, and zombies, across fields and underground labs. It's Lovecraft meets Medal of Honor. In House of Ashes, Supermassive Games' narrative horror meets war. A U.S.-Iraqi unit trapped in an underground Akkadian temple face vampiric creatures amid the aftermath of the Iraq War. Fast-paced QTEs, shifting perspectives, and moral tension between allies and enemies all add to the dread.
Their lights will be snuffed out, unless you can find the means to save them. Trapped beneath the earth, swallowed by the void. Will you find the path to salvation, or be lost in the darkness forever?
Open your eyes, Walker.
Spec Ops: The Line masquerades as a military shooter until it forces you to commit atrocities. The desert becomes your silent witness to moral collapse. Its horror lies not in monsters, but in the choices you make and live with.
Let you walk in here, did you?
We've been set up.
Welcome to hell, Walker.
I'm gonna kill every last one of your men, and then I'm gonna kill you. There is a line men like us have to cross.
War-themed horror strips away the supernatural, weaponizing reality. It drags us into trenches, bunkers, and collapsing empires, forcing us to face humanity's darkest capacity. Which of these brutal war horrors creeps you out most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for deeper dives into video game terror.